Building and operating infrastructure in the public cloud is challenging. It revolves around the 5 pillars of operational excellence, security, reliability, performance, and cost optimization. This is a broad taxonomy of cloud operations. It starts from building a network infrastructure that includes VPCs and hybrid connectivity. Next comes application infrastructure. This involves virtual machines, data stores, along with the right security policies and backup configuration. On top of the app infra is app provisioning, where we see Kubernetes, serverless, and Spark clusters. There's logging and monitoring, and CI/CD makes this a repeatable process. Compliance controls are needed across the board. Today, certified cloud experts automate these functions by manually writing code that spans thousands of lines. We see cargo culting, with every engineer bringing their own style, favorite programming language, and tools. With expanding infrastructure, the size of the codebase and team grows. The bigger the system, the harder to make changes, decreasing productivity. One has to understand what code to change. Once updated, peers need to do code review. Then tests are to be performed, followed by a rollout. A simple user request to open a port for an application requires subject matter experts and still takes days.
Lack of cloud subject matter experts is the single biggest blocker to cloud adoption. Hiring a DevOps workforce is hard and expensive.
Today, on average, to build and operate a 50 VM cloud infrastructure, companies require 2 DevSecOps engineers. But did you know that inside Amazon and Microsoft, they manage millions of virtual machines with only 1,000 odd people? To understand how, imagine for a moment being assisted by a DevOps bot, which had the ability to auto-generate this infrastructure configuration based on a rules engine that combines user requirements, subject matter expertise, and principles of a well-architected framework. Cloud operations might very well involve thousands of configurations that overwhelm humans. But in the age of AI, bots can auto-generate these. At DuploCloud, we have built such a robot. The bot installs in a virtual machine in your cloud account. Users can easily interface with it through a browser or API. There, they configure their application needs in simple declarative terms, and the bot auto-generates the underlying infrastructure policies. Whether doing a first-time deployment or ongoing operations, it manages a complete application and infrastructure lifecycle. Today, the bots are operational in over 25 enterprises, managing over 3,000 virtual machines and 250 applications. Users do 5,000 self-service deployments a week.
For a product demo, go to DuploCloud.com/demo.